for another strategy. Huh? Don't complain so much. Okay. As I wind up, just of recent, we had a conversation with most of the regulators in this industry. Actually, it happened yesterday. We had a closed chat for about 6-7 hours, and they were greeting us. We are also greeting them. From the other side, they talked about consumers' protection. That was the very key area to consider, and I'll front this to Tamam Holdings. Please protect your customers. Most brokers come in the market with a lot of marketing budgets. They even give these influencers, let me talk to them, where are they? They give them something, and before you know it, they lure people into what is about to close. So please, protect your customers. Protect these people. If you happen to protect this young man and he makes $10, the next day he's gonna come with $20. He's gonna invite his brothers to join, because to be honest, and to the countries that we've traveled so far, there is no future in what we call white-collar jobs. There is no future. If you're going to school, study hard, get good grades, and you come in the office, that's a wrong approach. Go get good grades, but have a skill. Develop a skill that can earn you a living. And also have a system that can work for you when you don't have time, or when you are in critical conditions or tough times. So, with those few remarks, I want to thank you for coming. I want you for being a very good audience. Today we've learned how to communicate, and I believe from today, you're gonna be agents of change. Go spread this information to others. May you be blessed. Go and make money. People don't want to make money. Go and make money. Okay, so let me invite, in these few minutes that I remain with, I've known with this gentleman. He has seen us grow from one level to another. He's not even a coach, but he's a judge of financial markets in Uganda. He has worked with URA for about 15 years, when most of you were still at school, in 1998. Then later on, when he organized URA, he joined the bank, and as of now, as we speak, is the head of corporate services, Bank, Centenary Bank, Uganda. So ladies and gentlemen, we are privileged to host Mr. Arnold Uriansi. Let's appreciate him as he comes to say hello to you. It was on a short notice, but I have to apologize for inviting you on a short notice.
You're going to, you know, I'm currency. You give me a couple of bitcoins and I'll forgive you. Good evening, everybody. Yeah, you know, that's the thing with phones, laptops are the future. How are you doing? Are we fine? I want you